Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for di world, we go run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter di tori for today. Russia don launch heavy missile and drone attack for Ukraine capital Kyiv. At least 14 pipo wound as 250 drones and 14 ballistic missiles bomb di city, according to wetin Ukraine Air Force tok. Dem say di attack na one of di biggest since di war start, but dem manage shoot down 245 drones and 6 missiles. Still, di attack cause serious fire and scatter plenty houses, businesses and motor. President Zelensky say na anoda proof say na Russia dey prolong di war. E say until serious sanction land for Russian economy, dem no go gree ceasefire. Di attack happen just few hours after Russia and Ukraine do prisoner swap for Turkey. But peace still far as both sides dey fire back. Wahala dey ground. One Israeli airstrike wey land for Gaza don kill 9 children of Dr. Ala al-Najjar, according to Nasser Hospital for Khan Younis where she dey work. Di hospital tok say only one of di pikin survive, plus di papa, but dem wound well. One British surgeon, Graham Groom, wey dey work with dem for di hospital, say na im do di operation for di 11-year-old boy wey survive. Video from Hamas-run health ministry wey reporters verify show say dem dey carry small dead body wey don burn comot from di debris. IDF never reply reporters yet, but dem tok say dem don strike over 100 targets for Gaza within 24 hours. Gaza Health Ministry tok say at least 74 pipo don die within dat time. Di woman husband Hamdi, wey be doctor too, just reach house after e go drop im wife wen di bomb land. Pipo wey sabi di family tok say dem no get any political or military wahala. Di oldest pikin na just 12 years old. Anoda doctor, Yusuf Al-Arish, say e try console Dr. Allah wey dey wait to hear if her only surviving pikin go make am. Di matter don scatter plenty pipo mind, especially for hospital where dem dey save lives, but now na di staff dem dey cry for help. Francesca Albanese, wey be UN Special Rapporteur for occupied Palestinian territories, don vex say di Israeli missile attack wey kill 9 out of 10 children of Palestinian doctors Ala and Hamidi al-Najjar na part of sadistic pattern for di genocide wey dey go on. Albanese say wetin happen no be mistake, say e clearly show new level of wickedness for di whole war. Imagine 2 doctors go save lives, but con lose almost all their pikin just like dat. Na real wahala. One Palestinian group, Mujahideen Movement, don para for Israel aid matter. For Telegram, dem blast di way Israel join body with some American companies take dey run aid distribution for Gaza. Dem tok say di whole setup na just another style of starvation and blockade. Dem still accuse international communities say dem dey keep quiet while Gaza dey suffer, but dem hail companies and organizations wey no gree support di aid method wey dem believe say dey help Israel agenda. One man, Masoud Abu Sahid, wey be 36 years old, don come out tok say Israeli soldiers use am as human shield for 2 weeks for March 2024 for Khan Younis. E say dem carry am go different buildings, houses and even hospital make e dig for tunnel and clear road. E beg one soldier say dis thing wey dem dey do dey dangerous o, say e get pikin wey im go wan see again, but dem no gree. Masoud even tok say na so e jam im own brother wey anoda unit dey use do shield too. Both of them no get choice. Another woman, Haza Esteti, from Jenny refugee camp for West Bank, say soldiers drag her go house, force her enter different apartments to film and clear road for them. She beg say she wan go back go meet her 21-month-old pikin, but dem no gree. She tok say she fear say dem go kill her and she no go see her pikin again. The matter don raise serious concern as many Palestinians dey face dis kind treatment for both Gaza and West Bank. Some Israeli soldiers tell reporters say dem dey use Palestinians as human shields for Gaza war. Dem tok say dis matter make their work fast, save ammunition and protect their dogs from wahala. Some soldiers wey no dey fight for Gaza again say from beginning of the war, orders like bring mosquito come dey come radio. Dat one mean say make dem find Palestinian person to clear house first before dem enter. One 26-year-old soldier tok say the idea spread quick because e easy and e dey work well. For For 2024 meeting, one commander even show slide wey talk get a mosquito and suggest say dem fit catch person from street to do the work. One officer write report to im boss about the use of human shields and the matter fit reach higher commanders. Some Israeli people say dem dey get strange phone calls wey play voice note of hostages wey dey Gaza dey beg for help as bomb sound dey background. But the hostages and missing family forum talk say dem no get hand for the call matter. The group talk say no be dem send those voice notes o, and dem still beg government say make dem end the war and bring back all the kidnapped people at once. Dem still talk say na 596 days now their people don dey cry for help. Almost 600 people, including Alon Lee Green, gather for fence wey separate Israel and Gaza on Sunday to shout make war end. The protest small, but e don dey grow as many Israelis don dey change their mind about the war. Green, wey be national co-director for activist groups Standing Together, talk say some people see the war as political, just to keep Netanyahu and im right-wing people for power. Others just tire for fight. Some want make dem release hostages from Gaza, and some dey protest how Palestinians dey suffer. Green, wey dey arrest for the protest, spend 2 nights for jail before dem put am for house arrest, even though new poll show say many Israelis go prefer peace deal wey go bring back the hostages. Even if the war go end, the war still dey go on. One Israeli lawmaker, Amit Halevi, talk say Israel no fit defeat Hamas even after 20 months fight. According to am, Israel dey try but e no dey work like before because dem no fit control Hamas like how dem dey fit do dem before. Halevi talk say this war na deception and dem get plenty lies about how well dem dey perform for the war. Dem no get the result wey dem promise. Wahala burst Friday evening for Hamburg main train station as one 39-year-old German woman begin stab people wey dey wait for train between platform 13 and 14. Police say 18 people get injury, 4 of them serious but stable. Dem arrest the woman sharp and police talk say she no get political motive but dey show signs of mental wahala. She go face court on Saturday. People wey wound dey range from 19 to 85 years old. 7 people get small injury, another 7 serious, and 4 dey critical but stable condition. 2 people and emergency workers quick hold the woman before e worse pass. German Chancellor Friedrich Merz called the attack shocking and hailed emergency trains for the area delay small as police block 4 platforms. Na the latest for line of recent attacks for Germany as knife and vehicle attacks don dey happen too much lately. Police still dey investigate the matter well. One Uganda activist, Agatha Atuha, don talk say dem rape am when she dey for detention inside Tanzania. She tell reporters say na plainclothes people blindfold her, beat her, remove her clothes and come violently and sexually assault her. She said the pain too much and she show scars from handcuff as evidence. She even shout sotey dem cover her mouth. She talk say she still hear fellow activist Boniface Umwangi dey shout because of pain and dem threaten to circumcise am. The 2 activists travel go Tanzania to support opposition leader Tundu Lissu wey dem charge with treason. But even though dem allow dem enter, dem no gree make dem attend the court hearing. Instead, dem arrest them and later abandon them near the border. Umwangi talk for us say dem torture both of them, tell them make them crawl, go bath with blood still for their body. She say dem get order from one state security person wey say make dem give them Tanzanian treatment. Tanzanian authorities never talk anything yet, but human rights group don shout make them investigate the matter well and make East African countries respect human rights agreements. And the last one for today. Back for 1970s, Soviet Union try one big experiment when they call peaceful nuclear explosion to change how water dey flow for Siberia. Instead for water to waka go north for Arctic, dem wan turn am make e go south to help dry places like Central Asia and Southern Russia. One of the main sites wey chop this idea na wetin dem call Nuclear Lake near Ural Mountains. The place no easy to reach. You go need use boat, then use leg through bog where radiation sign full. The lake formed on 23 February 1971 after Soviets dropped 3 nuclear bombs on the ground. Each bomb get the same power like the one wey hit Hiroshima 15 kilotons. The whole plan na to use the explosion dig big canal wey go connect Peshora River to Kama River wey later near Volga. Dis new route for water go make Soviet scientists divert plenty water wey dey go Arctic Ocean send am down to dry hot areas. But e no work as dem plan. The canal no gree form properly and the area still dey get radiation levels till today. One Russian blogger, Andriy Frediv, visit the place for 2024 and talk say the water clean but some places still dey hot with radiation. Even though the plan fail, the crazy idea to reverse river still dey come up every now and then, especially anytime when water shortage wahala start for Russia. Na one of the biggest what-if moments for Soviet history to use nuclear bomb take shift rivers. E no work, but e still dey echo till today. Na so the news reach for today. Na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.